Hey guys, this video will be example solves for the 2x2 beginner method. So I'm going to start by looking for white pieces to make the white layer, and I can start with any piece I want, put that on the bottom, and then this is green and orange. So I'll look in the top layer for another white piece, and it's this one. This one's blue and orange, so they have orange in common. So that means I'm going to want it to go right next to the orange piece, so right here. So I'm going to move it here, and then repeat those 4 moves. Once, twice, 3 times, as many as necessary for it to go in there. Then look in the top layer for another one. This one's red and blue. So I'll move it next to blue here because this is a solved blue piece. So I'll move it right above here to go in there. Repeat the 4 moves until it's in there. And then look in the top layer for another white piece. There's no more. And in this case, it's actually right over here. So I said in the tutorial, if you have a piece stuck in the bottom, you can use the same 4 moves to take it out into the top. So you can do what you normally do. So I'll hold this on the right side. Do the 4 moves to move it into the top, and then it's already above where it should go. So I'm just going to do 4 more moves again and put it in there. Next, for the last layer, I try to see how many pieces are in the right spot. So this one's red and green, below it is red and green, so this one's in the right spot. Look at this one, blue, red, and not blue, red. Blue, orange, and blue, orange, so this one's also in the correct spot. Orange, green, and not orange, green, so this one's in the wrong spot. So I have 2 in the correct spot. And I need to get either all 4 in the correct spot, which in this case is not possible, or I need to find 1 in the correct spot, not 2 like this. So I'm going to turn the top once like this and see how many I have in the right spot. I'll quickly count and that's 0. I'll try it again. And 1 and 2 are in the right spot. So this is bad again. Turn one more time and there are 0 in the right spot. So it turns out this is a case where I can only get 2 or 0 in the right spot. I cannot get 1. So if you can't get 1, then you just do this from anywhere. And it's this algorithm. And then now I'll try again. And from now I should be able to do it. So here's already 1 in the right spot and every other one's in the wrong spot. So this is good. I'll hold this on the front right and do it again. All right, now everything's in the right spot. If they weren't, I just repeat it again and they should all be in the right spot. Now I'll turn the cube upside down and I'm gonna work on the bottom right corner first. And I'm gonna continue repeating the 4 moves until its yellow sticker is on the bottom. So once, twice, and there it is. Now to grab the next corner to work on that one, I'm going to only turn the bottom layer. Do this again. And notice when I see that it's correct here, I finished that last move of the 4 moves. Don't stop at 3 because that's a common reason why people don't get this step. Then go to the next one. And last one. And then just align the top. So that was just the beginner method, which requires a lot of moves, but there's a faster way to do it if you're willing to learn some algorithms. And the algorithms are pretty short. So this is called the Ortega method, and I'm just going to show you what the steps are. And if you want to learn it, then you can go to the video up here. So the first step is to find which side is the most solved, and then just finish off that side, not necessarily making the whole layer. And then apply 1 of 7 algorithms to solve the top face. And then once you have the top done and the bottom done, then in just 1 algorithm, you can solve the rest. In theory, with a lot of practice, you should be able to average under 5 seconds. So thanks for watching. I hope you try and get faster, and I'll see you guys next time.